What's up guys, John here from Diode Dynamics. The RAV4 has been left out of our fog light lineup for far too long, but now we've got you covered with upgrade and add-on fog light kits. With options for the 5th gen RAV4, with fog lights or without, these new kits replace the factory fog light bezel, and on some trims they replace the OEM DRL to provide real, usable light output. Both fog lights are designed for a seamless, factory-style fit, swapping out the factory bezels with custom-designed inserts that integrate seamlessly with our Elite Series or SS3 fog lights. Built from the same ASA plastics as the OEM bezels, these look like they came straight from the factory, but now you've got the performance boost you've been missing. Our fog light kits include an add-on wiring harness, so your fog lights will turn on automatically when your headlights are activated, just like you'd expect from the factory. No need to manually flip a switch. Our upgrade kit swaps the OEM bezel and smaller fog light housing to a more functional, full-size fog setup. With plug-and-play H11 adapters, this is an easy way to boost the output and style with no guesswork and no hassle. If you're looking for a clean, OEM-style appearance with extra brightness and sleek design, the Elite Series is the way to go. If you're looking for a more aggressive, off-road inspired look, go with the SS3 pods instead. Our SS3 pods use advanced TIR optics that capture and focus nearly all of the light, providing maximum output with minimal glare. They're available in Sport, Pro, and Max power levels, letting you choose the option that best fits your lighting needs. Both options are available in 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow, and include our dedicated amber backlight for added style. Plus, each features an SAE-compliant beam pattern, making them fully ready for on-road use. Plus, the installation for both is straightforward. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the hood and using a 10mm socket to remove the 4 bolts on the top of the bumper. Using the same socket, remove the 8 10mm bolts under the bumper. It's important to note that this install may be done through the fender liner. We'll be removing the bumper to show this better. Next, turn the wheel to gain access to the fender well and remove the 2 10mm bolts. Then, using a trim removal tool, remove the 2 clips. Then, separate the fender liner by pulling away from the vehicle. Using a trim removal tool, remove the clip at the corner of the bumper. Repeat these steps on the other side. On the driver's side only, disconnect the 3 connectors located near the OEM bezel. Next, remove the bumper and set it aside. If equipped with the OEM DRLs or fog lights, disconnect the connector on the back of the lamp and remove the 3 Phillips head screws securing the lamp. Then, using a trim removal tool, remove the 2 push clips securing the harness. Next, remove the lamp and set it aside. Using a trim removal tool, remove the single clip securing the bezel. You can now remove the bezel by pressing the locking tabs outward and working around the edge. Snap the new bezel in place, making sure it's fully seated. Then install the push clip into the replacement bezel. Now mount your Elite Series or SS3s using the included hardware and a T20 Torx bit. Reinstall the harness clip and repeat these steps on the opposite side. For vehicles with OEM fog lights, skip to the timestamp below. For vehicles without OEM fog lights, start by removing the fuse box cover on the driver's side. Then, using a 10mm socket, loosen the positive terminal in the fuse box. Insert the harness's positive wire and make sure to retighten it securely. Then reinstall the fuse box cover. Next, use a 10mm socket to loosen the ground terminal under the driver's side headlight. Insert the negative wire terminal and retighten securely. For this install, you can use the included toggle switch or opt for an aftermarket switch panel by connecting the auxiliary tap wire for a clean and simple setup. If you're using the included switch, you can now install the switch extension by disconnecting the white connector on the harness and plugging the extension cable in line. With the extension installed, we recommend routing the switch through the passenger side firewall grommet and mounting it in your preferred location. You can now T-tap the activation, deactivation, and backlight wires. Keep in mind the exact locations may vary depending on your vehicle's trim. On this RAV4 with OEM DRLs, you can tap the orange deactivation wire to pin 6 for the high beam, the white activation wire to pin 3 for the low beam, and the blue backlight wire to pin 3 on the passenger side headlight for the backlight. You can route the longer DT plug to the passenger side and the short to the driver's side and connect them to the lights, then secure any loose wires with zip ties, keeping it clear of any hot or moving parts, and reassemble everything in reverse order. If your vehicle has OEM fog lights, connect the DT plug from the included harness to the pods, then connect the gray connector to the OEM fog light harness. Next, tap the blue backlight wire to pin 3 on the headlight for the backlight on both sides of the vehicle. With everything connected, test for proper function and aim to the desired location. And there you go, a clean, factory-like install that gives your RAV4 a serious boost in style and light output. If you're looking to grab a set for your RAV4 or any of our other products like our all-new ditch light kit, be sure to head over to the website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you'd like to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.